Today we're going to break down exactly how to build the right insurance program for your smoke shop or tobacco shop. Here we go. Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. Now, when it comes to a smoke shop or a tobacco store, really, there's just a few things that we want to think about that are outside of the general spectrum of what it means to be a retail store. So as a retail store, we want to have a business owner's policy. That policy is going to have a whole package of coverages, including our general liability, which is third-party slips, trips, and falls, bodily injury, property damage. That's going to be people coming into the store and bad things happening, essentially. It's also going to cover your property, so all your counters, all your computers, all your back office stuff, shelving, all that. We also are going to have coverage for your inventory. So this is going to be all the items that you have in your shop. Now, when it comes to a tobacco store, you're also most likely going to have workers' comp because you're going to have employees. So if you have someone who works the desk, although workers' comp coverage for smoke shops and tobacco shops are going to be pretty straightforward. It's a pretty standard class, and you shouldn't have too much of an issue there, and the cost should not be terribly high. If you're doing any kind of pickup or delivery of items, then you're going to need a commercial auto policy. As much as we don't ever, most people fight going to a commercial auto policy, it's very, very important to know that if you are doing commercial work for your business with a personal auto outside of like running to the store quickly because you need more Post-its or something, then you really need to have a commercial auto policy, because your personal auto policy can deny any claim you have that's commercial related. So it's very, very important that we think about that. Beyond that, we want to think about things like crime coverage. So employees potentially stealing money out of the register, stealing items, that's very important. If you have employees, if you have multiple employees, things like employment practices liability become very important. You may have a transient nature to the employees coming in and out, or if you have a bunch of part-timers, if these employees interact in a negative way, that's an employee practices related claim, and we want to make sure that we have coverage for that. In general, your smoke shops, your tobacco stores, these are retail stores with a fairly standard set of exposures, and the key here is trying to package all your coverage in with one carrier, because then you're going to get multi-policy discounts, you're going to get pricing discounts, and you're going to get leverage with that carrier because you have multiple policies with one carrier, which brings prices down. So that's where we come in as a broker. So if this is the kind of relationship that you'd like, if you'd like to work with an agent who tries to be transparent, authentic, and really work with you, come to you and be a service provider, then we would love the opportunity to understand your business and provide you with a proposal for putting together the right insurance program. The best way to do that is to give us a call, 518-960-6600. That's 518-960-6600. You can also email us at gorogue@roguerisk.com. You can visit us online at roguerisk.com, or I'm sure there's a link or a button somewhere around this video that will let you contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.